Hi everyone, welcome back to Empower to Earn, your go-to-go spot for profitable, effective DIY products. Today, I'm sharing a powerful formula for a 3 times profitable soda soap that is not only high foaming but also super cost effective, perfect for beginners or business-minded soap makers. This soap recipe is a game changer, affordable to produce, rich in lather, and designed to give you triple your investment in profit with just 2 ingredients. Let's jump into the ingredients. Number one ingredient is lye solution. Lye solution is caustic soda dissolved in water. And number two is our bleach palm oil. Bleach palm oil is the same palm oil that we use in cooking, but bleach on fire. We use fire to bleach it. And our tools for production: mixing bowl, measuring cups. You need 2 cups with the same size. 2 cups with the same size. 1 cup of your choice. One for lye solution and the other one for bleach palm oil. Then your mixing stick is either your spatula or turning stick. Before we begin, safety is the key. Always wear your gloves and work in a well-ventilated area when handling caustic soda. Keep all the chemicals away from the reach of the children and pets. The first ingredient that we go into the mixing bowl is our bleach palm oil. Stir it together before you measure the one to use out of it. Then we'll be using 2 cups of bleached palm oil. 2 cups of bleached palm oil. Then followed by lye solution. We'll be using 1 cup of lye solution. Note that the same size of cup using in measuring our bleach palm oil is still the same size of cups in measuring of our lye solution. Add your lye solution into the bleach palm oil and stir gently. Stir together very well. If you wash it, it will look as if it gets into a thick trace, but continue mixing it until both lye solution and bleach palm oil mix together very, very well. Mix until there's no separation between lye and the bleached palm oil. By now, get ready with any types of mold you want to use. You can use any mode of your choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Now, the soap batter is ready to go into the mold. You can see how jelly it is and also thick trace. Gently pour your batter into the mold. And as you are pouring it gently, you need to be fast in order not to get blocked in your hands because it strays very, very fast. After adding all your batter into the mold, tap it on the surface to avoid any space in between. Then you allow it to set for 12 hours before unmold it. You can produce this soap with just 2,000 naira. It's cost effective and triple your capital in no time. This is perfect soap business that is fast selling, especially in our Africa countries. If you want to know more about how to start this soda soap business or any bar soap business to make profit, kindly DM me or enroll into my advanced soap class. The training is ongoing. In this class, you will learn how to formulate, how to calculate your lye to water, how to choose perfect oil for each soap, and so on. Just DM me on WhatsApp and let's get started. 12 hours later, look at that beautiful strong soap. This soda soap is perfect for laundry, cleaning, and even bathing in some regions. Affordable, high performing, and profitable. Just how we like it. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.